team's chartered with bringing the benefits of centralized procurement to a very decentralized implementation. Yeah, so at Curtiss-Wright, every business unit has its own procedures and policies. They work on their own standalone ERP system, so we leverage Zycus to bring that procurement data together in through the iAnalyze tool to look for our opportunities to synergize, to optimize, to use supplier rationalization techniques, and then to find strategic sourcing opportunities. So we're a full suite customer of Zycus. We leverage the upstream modules predominantly for the visibility into our spend and for our strategic sourcing modules or events through iSource. And then we try to deal with the downstream by leveraging the Procure-to-Pay implementation, trying to automate and eliminate the tail spend that's typically in our indirect procurement. We also are trying to take the categories that we've gone after in the indirect space and present them in a very easy to use so that we have very little leakage to our corporate agreement. Procurement goals are really centered predominantly around our cost savings. So again, when we create a corporate agreement, one of our challenges is communicating that agreement across a very diverse landscape of business units. Procure-to-Pay has made that much easier for us. So if I'm a requisitioner and I go to the tool and it's just I search for something and I can find it in there, I don't have to go through the process of quotes because I know the corporate procurement team has already done that. I can just go ahead and select from that group. Then on the back end, my team looks at that data and we do comparison to last price paid to find out what value we're bringing to the organization and savings. The highlight for me has been always looking at what is the next technology to come. So the discussion about AI and bots has been very strong because it's obvious that Zycus is keeping up with where technology is going. So I know I've partnered with somebody that as technology evolves, we won't have to switch partners. We have a partner that's already consistent with what's happening in the environment in our space.